Hey everyone, are you ready to dive into the exciting world of Instagram? Whether you're totally new or just feeling a little lost, this step-by-step guide is your ticket to becoming an Insta Pro in 2024. Step 1. Get the Instagram app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store. After that, open the Instagram application, then sign up. You can create a new account using your email or phone number, or sign up with your Facebook account. Here, I will try to register a new account by creating a username and email for Instagram. Enter your email or telephone number, open the verification code in your email, create a password, enter your date of birth, enter your name, create a username, then agree. Create a profile photo for your new account. Then, confirmation information will appear on your new account. Please choose according to your needs. Then go to Edit Profile. Choose a username that represents you or your brand. Add a profile picture, ideally a clear photo of yourself or your logo. Write a short bio that tells people who you are and what you're about. You can include emojis, hashtags, or a link to your website. Step 2. Navigating Instagram. Home feed. This is where you'll see posts from the accounts you follow. Search and explore. Discover new content and accounts based on your interests. Reels. Create and watch short, entertaining videos set to music. Profile. View your own posts, stories, highlights, and tagged photos. Step 3. Posting content. Step by step for posting photos. Tap the plus button at the bottom center of the screen. Choose a photo from your library or take a new one. Tap Next, edit the photo. Crop, add filters, adjust brightness, etc. Write a caption. Use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Tag people if they're in the photo. Add a location if you'd like. Tap Share. For stories, swipe left on the home feed or tap the plus button on your profile picture. Take a photo or video, or choose one from your library. Add stickers, text, music, or interactive elements. Share to your story. Stories disappear after 24 hours, but can be saved to highlights on your profile. Reels. Tap the Reels icon at the bottom of the screen. Step 4. Engaging with others. Likes. Double tap on a post or tap the heart icon to show you like it. Comments. Share your thoughts or start a conversation on a post. Direct messages. DMs. Send private messages to other users. Follow. Find accounts you enjoy and tap Follow to see their content in your feed. 5. Additional tips. Hashtags. Use relevant hashtags to get your posts seen by more people. Story stickers. Use polls, questions, quizzes, and other stickers to interact with your followers. Reels trends. Jump on popular trends to increase your visibility. Post consistently. Regular posting keeps your audience engaged. Interact. Respond to comments and DMs to build relationships. Experiment. Try out different types of content to see what resonates with your audience. Stay ahead of the game with these tips. Reels are king. Instagram loves Reels, so create them often. Embrace trends. Participate in popular challenges and use trending sounds. Go live. Connect with your audience in real time. Experiment with filters and effects. Have fun and get creative. That's a wrap. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Now go out there and rock Instagram. And don't forget to follow me. You'll find my username in the description. See you on the gram.